cut is not great on this. This blade probably needs to be changed. Right here you can see it's been welded. It's holding right now, but it's not ideal. The coolant is either off or on. The auto on and off with the blade doesn't work. There's your light. Just I'll let it back down. Let that open up a little bit. Got this set too tight. Bring it back up. It's easy to get this too tight. Not sure these blocks are spring loaded. They can get too tight pretty easily, and it stalls the motor when it tries to start up. And here you have your, close this up. Here's the speed adjustment. There's that. The motor is not original, and as you can see, this has been cut out because the motor goes on into the frame there, but it works as it's intended. There's a second coolant line that can be shut off here. It just runs down into the reservoir. Then here's the air. Loosen that up a little bit. There's the piece that we just cut.